Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be working on this program again, and so far what we can do is draw objects to the screen based on what color you had and color them, move them around, drag them, delete them, or color the screen itself. So now we're going to work on an exporter. And before we do that, since we want to make the game itself, well, program full screen, in the layers actions on desktop we'll say fs command open brackets, and the command will be open quote full screen close quote comma parameters true. That only works for Windows executable files, so if we try to test it, it would not work. So let's export it now. So going to publish settings, untick flash.swf and click Windows projector on the upper file where it says exe. Open that folder and place it wherever you'd want it to go. I place mine on the desktop in a folder called Let's Make a Program, and file name Let's Make a Program. Then click Save and click Publish. Okay, now you can just click OK and save the program again. And now let's open up that. So element P, let's make a program, and it opens up really big. But this tool thing is really big, so we don't want it to be that big. That will take up a lot of the screen. So just press start button to open up your start window. Right click and click close window for now. So now let's find a way to take that off. First, unlock the panels layer and click on the tools panel, and where it says width and height, click this chain button to lock it. And this says 214, so just make yours half of that, which will be 107. And the color panel 240, 120, so that it will show up exactly like this when it's full screen, since it's 200%. Then in the tool panel we can duplicate box T. In the library, just duplicate box T. So this is box tool. Right click, duplicate, name it quit tool. Type as a button. Okay, and go into the quit tool and customize it to look any way you'd like it to look. So this is my button that changes colors like this. And now go back to scene 1 into the tools panel. Um, copy, no, copy the box tool and paste it. Go into the properties, click swap with quit tool. Give it the instance name of quit T. That's in quit tool. And back to scene 1. You can lock back the panel layer now. And in the code layer, in the actions, look for all the different unreleased current tool is equal to this and that, and just copy one of them with that tool panel, that quit to let unrelease is equal to function fs command open quit true. Let's save this and publish, which you can do by pressing shift alt and F12. So it is publishing, and I will get back to you when it is done. Okay, it's finished publishing, so let's test it out now. So this is on. This is currently flashing a lot. We'll fix that, but everything is smaller, so that way it looks better. And look at this to take it off. Now the flashing is because if we go into unlock panels layer again, tool panel, and you click on the exit button, its properties quit tool is a movie clip, so you have to change that to button, and it will work exactly how a button should work. Nice. Now the next thing we can work on is a publisher. So to make a publisher, open up a new file, new ActionScript 2, set it to the parameters of your screen 71763 and 384. Okay, and properties on the actions frame. This code is, before we do all that, just save this, save it as, let's make a program tester, save, go file, into publish settings, and click that, click Windows projector, open folder, look for, let's make a program folder, and then click a new folder in here, call it fs command, and then go inside that fs command folder and name it whatever you'd want. So let's make a program tester, save, and then can click publish to publish it, and press OK. Save that again and go back to let's make a program. The reason why the folder you named it in was fs command is because that's the folder that fs commands use to open up other folders. So once there's an executable file in that folder called fs command, which is where he'll be when you're publishing, it will open. So let's just duplicate box tool again as a movie clip, no, as a button, and this time name it test tool. Double click and customize it to suit. So this is how it is. That's my test button, and go back to scene 1, unlock the panels layer, go into it, duplicate the quit button, go into properties, click swap, and swap it with test tool, and call it test T. So back to the code for the frame where it says quit T is on release. You can just duplicate that and say test T.unrelease fs command exec as executable, and the name of the program you name, which was let's make a program test. So let's hope this works and publish it again. You got to publish it in order for it to work. So when it finishes publish, I will come back to you. And it's finished. And now if we open let's make a program and we click the test tool, you can see that it does not work because if we go back into this, let's hit FF command and change this up here, what we forgot to actually do is put lmapt.exe and just publish that again. And if we try to play it, oh, it just came off. Okay, let's put that back on. Okay, so now if we test it and we press play, it opens up the executable file, which we'll be using to test our game. So that's it for this tutorial. Sorry it was a bit short, but if you liked, thumbs up and do what you can. So see you next time where we'll work on actually sharing all the objects in the tester. So that's it, and once again, bye.